Hello everyone, this video gonna be mind blowing. After watching this video, you'll know the best free image optimizer in the world. Just keep watching from start to finish. And if you're satisfied with these tips, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe the channel. Subscribe कर लो यार दोस्तों. You know friends, I have to do lot of hard work to do research. Okay, let's move to the topics. Well, there are many free image optimizer available in the internet world. And the reason I said it is the best image optimizer in the world because it deserves it. Since I have tested many software. If you don't believe me, then you can check it. Of course, in some computer, it may not start properly, but that is the rare case. Anyway, if you had problem, just comment below, or you can go through the link in the description so that you can utilize this software in any laptop or PC with any version of Windows operating system. Let's go. At first, we have to download the software called Antelope. You can go through the link in the description. I have portable version. Okay, after download, just start it by clicking the executable file. Now simply drag and drop the image file here. Now you can go to hamburger for setting, and depending on your image type, just do some changes. Just select lossy compression mode and other leave default. If you want to test, you can change the optimization factor. But I prefer default and it does perfect job. Now you can click optimize. You see, it automatically creates Antelope folder and optimize image goes here. Now let's compare the optimized size and original pic size. You see the difference. The quality looks no difference. The size changed drastically. Okay, this software works perfectly for JPEG image. If you want to optimize the PNG image, then comment below. I will bring you the next video with the old best PNG optimizer you have ever seen. Okay guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next interesting video. Thanks for watching this video.